Welcome to Longview Farms. This is part of our barn. This is some of our pastures. There's one of our boarding horses. This is our outdoor arena. Very pretty. There's our barn. There's another arena. See, that's one of the horses we board. It's our tractor. This is her arena. Outdoor arena. Pastures. Very, I know, nice. It's the driveway. It's the indoor. There's the barn. Lovely barn. I love our barn. And then as we go into the driveway, I can show you the rest of the pastures back behind the indoor. They're gorgeous. Got pastures all back there. All nice grass pastures in the summer. Grass pastures. See, grass pastures. We turn, there's our indoor. There's the barn. Barn manager's car. Alright, let's take you in the indoor. This is the entrance. It's a lovely entrance. We love it. Alright. Let's take you in. Here's our indoor. Got mirrors. Got mirrors on this side, long side. Then we got windows. You can see the straight back we have a window. Sideward over there we have windows. And over there we have a window. And then this door right here opens up wide. And then that's our indoor. Then we have a seating area. And we have our mounting area. That's our indoor. Okay, let's go this way. That's our barn. They're very beautiful. Just closing up the indoor. Alright, there's our barn. There's our lunch pen. I know, very nice. I'll take you into the lunch pen. Passing the barn. Say hi, barn. These are some of our pastures out from our stalls. And there's some of our pastures we showed you when we first started. Here's our lunch pen. Very lovely. It's another pasture. These are our pastures. Little pens right out from our stalls, from the horses' stalls. It's two of our horses. Now let's show you the rest. Rest where the horses go. And then let's take you inside the barn, where it's lovely. Okay. Show you our tack room. Alright, here's the barn. Alright. Here's some of our stalls. It's our wash stall. And then, if I can show you our hay loft. There's our hay loft up there. Love our hay loft. And then, show you the tack room. Here's our tack room. Got our bridles on one side. Got all our saddles. Got our boots. It's all nice and organized. We got a fridge. Then where else should we show you? Oh, let's show you the back. Show you more of the stalls, our tack trunks. We're very organized. There are some of our stalls. And I'll show you the back. We have a pasture. It's one of our boarding horses. There's a pasture. If I can get this off. That's one of our pastures. Alright, we're gonna go to our boarding. These are more of our pastures back here. Pastures. Got pastures all back there. Pastures. Oh, there's the indoor. Pastures. Pastures. There's the pasture right there, and that's an entrance to a pasture. 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 Ooh, horse! And the outside of the barn. Oh, there's my horse. Pasture. That's where my horse is. Pasture. Alright, that's pastures, and this is Longview Farm. So, signing off. Longview Farm. So, we're going to say goodbye with Logan. It's one of our boarders. Say bye, Logan. Say bye from Longview Farms. Say bye, Wes. Say bye from Longview Farms.